If you want Firefox to open PDF files directly in the browser, instead of downloading them, this quick setting change will fix it in just a minute. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make Firefox open PDFs in browser, so you can view documents faster and keep everything in one place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, just like you normally would when launching the browser. Once Firefox opens, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu list, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox Preferences page, where you can control how the browser handles different types of files and content. Now that you're in Settings, use the search box at the top and type PDF. This is the fastest way to find the exact option you need without scrolling through all the browser settings manually. In the results, look for the Portable Document Format, or PDF entry. This is the file type Firefox uses for PDF documents. Next to it, you'll see an Action drop-down menu. This is where Firefox decides what to do when you open a PDF file. Click that Action menu and select Open in Firefox. Once you choose this option, the setting is applied immediately. That means from this point forward, Firefox should display PDFs right inside the browser instead of sending them to a separate app or downloading them first. To test it, open a PDF file or click a PDF link online. If everything is set correctly, the document should open in a Firefox tab, and you'll be able to read it right away. And that's it. You've now changed Firefox so it opens PDF files in the browser. It's a simple setting, but it can save time and make your browsing experience much smoother. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Firefox setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.